Welcome back to Gas Diesel Garage, everyone. My name is Jack, and I'm here to make sure you don't get screwed by the dealer, diesel style. So stay tuned. Okay, guys. Reason for this episode of Gas Diesel Garage is because I'm having a few issues on a number of trucks with the 2020 Freightliner Cascadia trucks, and it has to do with the jake brake not working. Now, for brand new trucks, that shouldn't happen, and I'm gonna save you from going to the dealer and paying a bunch of money to get this thing diagnosed. Okay, guys, if you ever have that green light blinking off and on, that means your jake brake is inoperable and is not working. And 9 times out of 10 on what you did, it has nothing to do with it electronically going out on you. What you did is you left that on. Yes, the jake brake is activated by that transmission selector arm, and I can show you if you want to reference. I'll show you. It's right here. If you get down low and you look right there, that's how your jake brake operates, off of the transmission selector. If you left that on the on position, more than likely the ECU saying there's something wrong. Why it does that, I do not know. But all you got to do is turn the thing off, which is straight up. Yeah, here we go. Straight up on the lever. Turn it off. Let it sit for a second. Turn it back on, and then it should clear the thing right on up. Now, you guys probably want to see the jake brake in action, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and start it on up. Okay, all right. Let's take this thing for a road test. Select actually no. Release your brakes. Put it in drive. And let's hope DOT doesn't see me doing this. Okay, guys, let's get this thing up to speed. Don't want to go too fast, even though this engine's governed at like 55, 60, I believe. But anyways, this is how the jake brake is operated. Oh, getting a little too close there. Well, you guys got to see how the adaptive braking system works when people cut in front of you, like that one just did. You're gonna get that message. But anyways, back to the task at hand. This is how the jake brake works. You take your gear selector, right there, and you push it down, and that's low. You hear the engine retard? And now I can go back. That's low. Let's do it again. Let's go to high. There you go. So anytime that green light on, it's engaged. Okay, guys, now you know how the jake brake is operated and what it's for. And I didn't tell you, why it is heavily needed. When you're towing 80,000 pounds behind you, you want that engine to slow down as quickly as possible without you trying to hit the brakes. So what the jake brake does is that it electronically retards the engine and slows the truck down, so you don't have to slam on the brakes, jackknife a trailer, and kill everybody on the interstate. That would be a bad thing. So, just to recap, if you see that green light blinking constantly, that means it is not working and it's inop. Now, more times than not, like I said, it's that lever, the gear selector lever. See how it moves up? It's not a turn signal, it's actually for your jake brake. So flip it all the way up, or low, high, whatever. But when it's on, see, All you got to do is flip this thing up. Watch, I'll put it right there like that. You flip it up and it turns it off. So basically all you got to do is just reset it. Now if it's still blinking and you still don't have a Jake brake, more than likely that lever is pretty much bad and need to get that replaced. So hope this helps. So anyways, till next time, if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.